Looking to add very fast external storage for all your photos, videos, or AI model and datasets? Check out this new Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosure from Vangree. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. Upgrading a MacBook Pro from 512 gigabytes of SSD storage to 4 terabytes costs $1,200. Even with today's crazy memory chip prices, we can add an external one almost as fast for much less cost with this enclosure. In today's video, let's unbox and set up the Vangree Thunderbolt 5 NVMe SSD enclosure. It has Intel's JHL9480 codenamed Barlow Ridge Thunderbolt 5 controller chip inside. It supports blazing fast 80 gigabit per second maximum transfer speed. It's also backward compatible with older Thunderbolt and USB standards. It comes in a simple box with a sleeve. Opening the box, there's the enclosure. Under the divider, a Thunderbolt 5 cable, spacers for various form factor NVMe drives, thermal pads, 2 rubber stoppers for the drive, and a simple user manual. The enclosure measures 4.5 inches by 2.2 inches and about 0.7 inches thick. It's in a silver grayish color, all aluminum body with ridges and vents on the top and the sides for good heat dissipation. There are also built-in fans inside that turn on above 40 degrees Celsius to help cool the enclosure down when needed. On this side, there's a button to toggle the fan on and off, and the 80 gigabit per second Thunderbolt 5 port. There are 4 rubber feet on the bottom to keep the enclosure from sliding around on the desk. Let's put the drive together. No tools needed at all. I'm going to use this 4 terabyte Western Digital Black SN7100 SSD I got last October for around $200. Unfortunately, it's more than twice that just a few months later right now. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Hopefully, by the time you watch this video, memory prices have come back to earth. Open the bottom cover of the enclosure by pulling on this ledge marked open with an arrow. Once opened, we can see the NVMe slot and connector. The enclosure is compatible with M-key and BNM-key M.2 NVMe SSDs in the 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 form factor up to 8 terabytes. It comes with spacers for the smaller form factor drives. To insert the drive, position it at about a 45-degree angle into the slot and attach one of the rubber holder to the other end of the drive, then push it down into this little hole in the back to hold the drive down. Vangree includes 2 thermal pads, a thick one and a thin one. Let me try the thick one first. Peel off the plastic cover on both sides and attach the pad on top of the drive. Snap the back cover onto the enclosure. I think the gap may be too large for just the thick thermal pad. Let me add the thin thermal pad too. All right, snap back the cover. That's it. Again, no tools needed. All right, let's try it out and see what transfer speed we can get with our new Thunderbolt 5 external drive. Here I have it connected to my 16-inch M4 MacBook Pro, which also supports Thunderbolt 5. With Blackmagic Disk speed test, I get about 5,900 megabytes per second write and about 5,700 megabytes per second read. Wow, that's much faster than what I was getting with Thunderbolt 4 enclosures like this one from Acasis. About 2,500 megabytes per second write and 2,500 megabytes per second read. I know Acasis and others have also come out with Thunderbolt 5 enclosures. I hope to try them out soon as well. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Transferring large video files are fast as well. A large 16 GB file takes just about 3 seconds from laptop to the drive, and another 3 seconds to read it back. That's about twice as fast as the Thunderbolt 4 drives, which took about 6 seconds each way. Needless to say, I can smoothly edit photos and videos directly on this external drive as well without any lag or problems. The Vangree Thunderbolt 5 enclosure retails for $199 US, but check out the link I put down below in the description for a good discount from time to time. It is more expensive than Thunderbolt 4 enclosure or much slower USB 3 enclosures. However, if you have a laptop or desktop with Thunderbolt 5 support, this new Thunderbolt 5 enclosure with a fast enough NVMe drive can perform twice as fast. What kind of drive do you store and edit all your photos and videos on? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless, and remember to cherish each moment.